I am at the cat sanctuary in the tea room, and this is Jobbie. Hello, Jobbie. Hey, sweetheart. You got a nice haircut. Look at you. Wow. Would you like some treats? Those are the fancy treats. Oh, what a pretty, pretty girl. Look at that nice haircut. Wow, I love it. Jobbie was one of the shy cats on our list. Now she's getting friendly. She's getting used to us. Such a cute girl. You like those fancy treats? Good girl. Here you go. This is the Royal Canin. We bought it for our cat, Catcoot, when he was sick, to put the pill in it and give it to him. But he didn't like it. So this package, we paid $12 for it. So I bought it with me to the cat sanctuary to see who would like to eat it. I'm so glad that Jobbie likes it. Good girl, Jobbie. Here you go, sweetheart. Some more? Oh, what a pretty, pretty girl. Oh, you feel so good. Nice haircut. I love it.